Today we're going to open the Fun on the Go. This is one of the games, coloring books and stickers and stuff you can play in the car or while you're out camping. There you are. You got 4 coloring sticks. You got some 20-something pages to color. There's stickers. Great little game. Alright, there's the game. Let's open it up. Nothing on the back. You have to cut the tape. It's taped shut. There we go. Whoops, one more at the bottom. There we go. See your 4 colors. There's your colors. I'm not going to pull them out. Here's your stickers. This is for Cars 3, the movie. Good looking stickers too. 3 sets of stickers. Here's coloring pages. It looks like a game. Find words or something. I think there's about 20 pages in here. Should keep you interested while you're driving, or if you're out in the camping in a tent or something. They have other subjects in this too. I saw Spider-Man and Batman and all. We'll close this one up. We may open one of the others a little bit later, so stay with us and have a lot of fun with the game. See you later.